In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to pages in Google Sites. Buttons are a simple way to guide visitors to important actions, like contacting you, registering for an event, or visiting a resource. I'll walk you through the exact process from opening your site to placing the button exactly where you want it, with clear tips to make each step smooth. First, open Google Sites in your web browser. This is your workspace for creating and managing your websites. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Google account so you can access your sites and make edits. Once you're in, choose the site you want to edit from your site's dashboard. Click to open it in the editor. You'll see the main canvas in the center, with tools along the right side and a panel for your pages. Pick the specific page where you want the button to appear. For example, you might add one to a home page for a primary call to action, or to a contact page for a quick link to a form. Now, add the button. Look to the Insert panel on the right and click Button. This opens a small setup window where you'll define what the button says and where it goes. Type a clear, concise name for the button. This is the label visitors will see, so choose action-oriented text like Contact Us, Learn More, Register, or Download. Keep it short and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. Next, choose the link for the button. You can paste a full web address if you're sending people to an external page, or you can select one of your existing Google Sites pages from the list. If you're linking outside your site, make sure the URL is correct and uses a secure HTTPS address. If you're linking to a page within your site, using the built-in page selector helps avoid typos and ensures the link stays accurate even if you rename pages later. When the label and link look good, click Insert. Your new button will appear on the page as a movable element. Finally, position the button where you want it. Click and drag it to the desired spot, and watch for alignment guides and blue placement markers that help you snap it into columns or sections. Try to place it near related content, so the next step is obvious for your visitors. Maintain good spacing and contrast, so it stands out without overwhelming the page. That's it. You've opened Google Sites, logged in, selected your site and page, created a clearly labeled button, linked it correctly, inserted it, and positioned it precisely where it belongs.